just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. The hate be so real, the love be fake. Be bumping they gums and bumping my tape.
It's a bad idea. What's going on, guys? We're back with a video. As you can tell, it's snowing, baby. And we had a strange idea and thought to hook a rope and sled to the back of Cam's truck. Hit that subscribe button, please, bro!
I think that's a cop watching us.
You think that's a cop?
I think it is too.
Hey, Billy, we'll hook. Cause when we did in college, we hooked another sled right there. So we'll have two sleds going at the same time.
Okay. This might be a very bad idea.
No, it's not.
But
Don't listen to Billy.
we're just gonna send it anyway because content. Content, yeah!
You should brought...
Let's go! Please don't kill me, kid.
Get in the fucking sled.
4 a.m. I'm out here smoking on the nudie. I see the sun rise, now it's time to keep it moving. You niggas ain't a threat, who you thought you were?
How did I not fall?
Billy, you look scared.
I put my hands up.
Hey, stop! There he goes.
Did he get wrapped up in the wheel?
That was sweet! Let's go! It's probably a bad idea.
What is?
This.
No. It's a great idea.
Okay, Colin, please don't hit me, bro.
My phone's gonna die.
This is gonna be a bad idea, buddy. We're dead.
It's a bad idea.
Yep. It's a bad idea.
Right.
It's a bad idea. Oh shit! You got pulled false. Get away from me! Get away from me! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! I can't grab on anything! I can't grab on anything!
Okay, stop here.
No, no.
My phone away.
That was awesome, though. I'm not gonna lie.
That was just a donut.
It was, but Colin was up against me though the whole time. Get away from me!
Just down the fucking road.
That'd be awesome.
Guys, no, because are like a car would be able to stop you or just crush us.
Yeah, thanks, bro.
I'm hanging on to you.
Oh shit, I'm gonna fly off.
I'm gonna fly off. I'm gonna fly off. No! This is such a forward shot.
Oh shit, oh shit. Yep, well done. Yep. Okay, Cam, okay. Okay, Cam. No! Oh my god. I'm gonna puke, bro. I actually might puke. Bro. I'm not gonna lie.
You cut us around, Billy goes, we're dead! We're dead!
Me and Colin were hanging off a deal line. Okay, you have to try it out
my
once,
dad
bro.
said, dude,
Just once, bro.
No, I don't have a change of clothes, dude.
Boring.
Round 2. Here we go.
Let's like have a talk time. Me and Billy, we've been friends since we were young.
Yeah. Hopefully that we don't die, and this will be the last time.
Oh, we won't. We're good. We're in the hands of the Lord.
Oh!
Some fun memories. Yeah. Like this, doing stupid stuff like this. So you guys should subscribe!
Thank God, bro. Chat, if you guys aren't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Just hit that subscribe button, bro. We're going shopping. Oh, hey, buddy. Oh, please don't fall now, bro. We can't fall. Oh, no. Like, what is going on? I want that. Not too bad. Staples, not too bad. Hey, what? No! Ah! Oh no, 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 no! Oh no! Yeah, one more circle! He's calling for like, what's going on? Ah! We're done. Have a good night. Uh-oh, it's cop. No cop, no stop, buddy.
What are we going for the cops in there?
Yeah. Okay, okay. Okay, you can stop now. Okay, Cam. Oh my God. Ow. Ow, bro.
If my ass didn't hurt before this, what the fuck?
How did they survive?
Where were they?
Okay, guys. We just got all finished up. That was an awesome time. We're gonna go grab something to eat now, so stay tuned. My ribs hold really badly, but you know what? Nothing that little bit of McDonald's can't solve. If you guys are on OG, you guys know I love McDonald's, bro. I've spent so much money here, bro.
Because we went flying up in the air and then landed. So you come flying on the ice, go around and ramp.
Oh my gosh. Alright guys, we had a split decision to walk on the ice. Let's go.
Throw it way out there.
Yeah. Isaac and them were ice fishing.
That didn't even make a sound.
This is stupid.
Yeah, right? No, you do the water.
You start the whole way back and slide. Oh!
Out on the water. And they're racing now. Calm down there, MJ.
I don't know if you guys can see us or not, but we made a, guess you could say a rocket ship. Yes, so.
You have to go this way.
Can only imagine what we'll draw.
This feeling follow me around to see your dreams come true. I pray to hear your voice again.
Stuff like this. So you guys subscribe.